Hey everybody, it's Tom from Vehicle Visionary. I hope you're having a great day. This is the 2025 Porsche Panamera that we're looking at in today's video. But any properly equipped Porsche model will have these same features that I'm going to show you today as far as using Comfort Assist. And if you're wondering what that is, that's something such as being able to come here to your cargo area and kick your foot under the bumper, and it's going to open up for you. You can also close it the same way. That's also going to allow you to walk up to the vehicle and have it lock and unlock. You can also come up and touch the door handle to lock and unlock things when you have the remote that was used when you were setting everything up here. Now you'll notice it didn't do that for me, so we're going to hop into the interior and I'm going to show you how to turn that feature on or off depending on what it is you want to do. So we're going to reach over here and start everything up and let the screen come on for us. And then we're going to come right down here. You can see the icon for the vehicle right there. Once we're in here, then we need to go over here to the gear icon for settings and select vehicle. And then we come right down here to vehicle locking systems. And there are quite a few different features here that you can turn on and off depending on what you want to do. You can confirm locking with signal tone. You make sure those things are checked. You also have your power folding mirrors that will fold when locking. They'll obviously unfold when you lock doors when driving, but here is one that is very important. Unlocking the vehicle without using the vehicle key. If you want to use that feature, make sure that blue check mark is checked right there. And you'll notice there's several other features underneath that one that you can check or uncheck, such as opening the tailgate with the foot gesture, as I just did when we were outside of the vehicle. And then you can see everything else that we can do here. So if those features are not working for you, or maybe you want to turn those off, that's how you're going to do that. Keep in mind, like I said earlier in the video, make sure that you have the remote you had with you when you made these settings changes, turning them on or off when you get into the vehicle. What happens if you have two remotes in the vehicle at the same time? Whichever remote is here in the driver's seat area is the one that the vehicle will pick up. I hope that helps somebody out today. Quick, simple little tutorial. If there's a particular Porsche tutorial or any other tutorial you want to see me make here on the Vehicle Visionary YouTube channel, tell me down in the comments section and I'll make that happen for you. Thanks for taking the time to watch. I'll see you in the next video.